easy it is to record a video using Instant Video Generator. So the first thing we're going to do is log in. You click on the members login. Now what you'll have to do is you'll have to come in and register and become a member. And you can do that real easily. But first, so we're going to go in and log in. And you can see I've created a lot of videos. But to create the next video, all I have to do is go to my pop-up video recorder. Now I'm going to move this back in the middle of the screen. And you can see I can activate the teleprompter. So I'm going to activate that. And you can either create a new script, okay, or which we'll do now. We'll call this Getting Started. And we're just going to overwrite the one we did before. And this could say this script can be used by just about anyone in creating their first video, whatever. And then you click Save. Now what we're going to do now is ask you what script you want to use. So we'll pick the one we just created called Getting Started. Now you can see here, this is the original one that I created. Now I'm going to tell it to use my camera. And here I am. I'm sitting at home now with a glass of wine. Just to show you how real easy and comfortable this can be. And we're going to create a video. So this is our teleprompter here on the right side of the screen. You can see what I typed in. And you have a lot of options. You can go or stop or go to the top of the, you can make this as long as you want. You can make it go faster or slow. Usually you want to make it go slower because it tends to go a little too quickly. You can edit the script, you can hide it, you can do whatever you want. Over here you can see that my microphone is working and it's recording properly. And you can see the video right here. The record button. So we're going to record this, and you just read it. And it says, in order to start using Instant Video Generator, you need to figure out first, what is it that you want to say? Then type it into the teleprompter and just read it. One of the tricks is to look at the camera, not at the video, or bring this video as high up on your screen, right near where the camera is, so as you're reading it, you're really looking at the teleprompter, but nobody knows it. Okay? Now once you're done, you click on the stop button. And you can play it back if you want, or you click Save. It asks for a name, so we'll give it a new name. And we'll call it Getting Started again. And click on Next. Now it's going to actually publish this video. Now it'll take a minute or two to record it and to buffer it, so that takes a second. And depending on your bandwidth and the computer you're using, it may take a couple of minutes to do it. So you got to give it some time, and it also depends on how long your video is. So it could take a couple of minutes to see it. Now, if the video does not appear, click refresh. So we'll refresh the screen, and we'll see if it pops up. And there it is. Okay? So now this is our Getting Started video. To record another video, you click here. Okay? Do not hit backspace. You may record over the video you just recorded. So we'll do another video. Basically, we're done, so we'll close the screen. Now we'll refresh this screen. We'll log back in, and we'll get back to our Getting Started video. Now there's the new video that we did, so let's click it and look at it. We're going to record this, and we're going to give it a name. It says, in order to start using Instant Video Generator, and we'll update it. You need. Okay, there's Getting Started, and let's click to publish it. It really is as simple as all this. Click here to proceed. I like the video, that's what I want to use. If I want to use a different video, I could, but we'll click here to proceed. And we have a choice. We can do a website video player, meaning that you put this on your website. You can do a video postcard, which you can send out by email. Or you can actually just create a link that you can put on a website or whatever you want, or in an email. But let's go ahead and show you how to do the video wizard. There's the video. You can either make it to autoplay or play only when you click it. I like to do autoplay. That way you're sure that the person attending your website is going to listen to it. They don't have to click on it. You can either show or hide the buttons. I always show the buttons because I want to give the visitor the opportunity to stop me from talking. Sometimes that's difficult to do. Display the first frame of the video or a cover image. We don't have a good cover image. Okay, so we can just leave that. We don't want to use encryption, and you don't want to play it silently or loop it, because if you loop it, it'll just keep on playing time after time. I would suggest you keep the size of the video at 160 by 120. Get the code. So once you get the code, all you've got to do now is double click on this, And this is the code that you need to place on your website. Now, all you need to do is give this to your web developer and tell them where you want to put it. So all they're going to do, you can send this to them in an email. So what you're going to do is double click on it and click copy. Go to an email, click paste, and send it to your web developer. Tell them I want this on my home page, I want this on my getting to know me page, wherever you want to put it. You're going to see this video on the next page that you see. So here we go, we're done, and now pretty much we're finished. That's about all there is to creating a video. We'll see you at the website.